What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. My name is George. Today, guys, I'm talking about the Herbal Spray Toner by K-Beauty brand HOMMEFACE. And if you guys are not aware by now, K-Beauty means Korean beauty. And it's actually known as one of the best forms of skincare out there. I'm not going to dive too much into that, but simply, HOMMEFACE was created for men to simplify their daily skincare routine while maintaining the Korean techniques and natural products. So, I'm going to review just this single product today by HOMMEFACE. We're going to just dive into how this works, what it benefits, and I'm going to talk about the toning process in general. So, if you guys are interested in this quick, simple review on the Herbal Spray Toner by HOMMEFACE, then keep on watching. First off, guys, a toner is not necessary. It's just basically an extra step to add on to your skincare routine. I apply mine after I shower, before I put on my moisturizer, my eye cream, my serums, all that good stuff. It's just like an extra step there to help even out your complexion. You can check out HOMMEFACE products at hommeface.com, which I will leave in the description down below. This is the only product that I've had the opportunity to try out from HOMMEFACE. So this video is simply just based around this toner right here in my experience. And I have to say, I've tried my fair share of toners. I have a few right here that I'm not going to say they're horrible. I'm not really going to talk about these too much, but let's just say I've not had a life-changing experience. And this is something to talk about. First off, let me read to you guys a couple few facts about this product right here. And it is for all skin types, 0 alcohol, cruelty-free, no parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrances, or colorants. That's all great stuff, so natural. And it claims to restore balance to skin's pH level, providing deep hydration and nourishing herbal extracts that calm and rejuvenate the skin. Beautiful stuff right there. The packaging for this is very simple, very minimal, which is something that I appreciate with all packaging. It's masculine, yet looks expensive, but it's plastic. And yeah, I'm not a huge fan of plastic, but I have to say this is definitely one of the bottles that looks nice on your shelf. It is a spray, of course. It's a mist, a toner. There are toner variations where they can be like a liquid and you just like put on a cotton swab, like this one right here by Pixi, and apply it to your face that way. I personally like the mist type of applicator because it's easy and you don't have to like go through all that process. I don't know. It's just my personal opinion. And the toner came in this box right here, and I saved this box because I love the color concept that HOMMEFACE provides. The whole gray and like, I don't know, black, brown. I don't know what color you want to call this, but it looks like aged glass, but it's not. Also, the toner came with a little envelope just like this. And when I seen this in the box, I was like, what the heck is that? I was a little surprised because I've never seen a product come with such a description. This is basically everything that I'm telling you is going to come with your product, and it gives the ingredients, the benefits, a little bit about HOMMEFACE, the brand in general, and some great stuff. I'm not going to bore you guys with all the ingredients. I'll just list them right here for you. Just key benefits that are listed in here: tea tree oil soothes skin, lavender, which is therapeutic and has aromatherapy to it. Love the smell of lavender. And witch hazel, love that. Great for like anti-inflammatory, which I use witch hazel on my neck, helps like even out my skin tone and calms down like razor burn and stuff like that. Great stuff is in this. Again, not going to bore you. Simply direction wise, guys, like I said before, I apply this after I cleanse my face, morning and nighttime. You can use this anytime, but I like to use it on like a clean face, and I actually just got a shower not too long ago, so my face is clean. I have nothing on it, which is like a crime because I should be like starting my skincare, but I'm filming this instead. Anyway, this is what you do. Just like that. And it smells so good. It's not an overpowering scent. Definitely makes me feel clean. I don't know. And it's also kind of like a calming and soothing scent to it. Just like how it said with the lavender. I smell the lavender. It makes me want to, I don't know, do like something zen. And that's pretty much my review on the Herbal Spray Toner by HOMMEFACE. Guys, this is not a necessity. It's $17. It is a nice size bottle, which is 8.45 fluid ounces. It's very much a luxury. I don't know how else to describe it, but it's nice to have. It isn't necessary, but when it comes to like actually feeling and noticing a difference, like I said, I've tried out my share of toners and I haven't really seen a huge impact on my skin, but this, I have noticed my skin looking more even. I don't know if you guys caught this, but I'm wearing my Kygo t-shirts. Today's a lounging night, so I figured I'm just gonna throw on a t-shirt, relax, hang out, film a video. You know how it is. But yeah, Kygo, if you guys are not familiar with this artist, check him out. I'm really into like tropical house music, EDM music, and more so like Kygo's old music, because he had a very like chill tropical type vibe, but I'm still a huge fan. He went kind of mainstream after like partnering with people like Selena Gomez, and yeah, but I still appreciate him. So if you guys didn't catch the shirt, there it is. Also, I got this in the mail by Beardsley, and this is like conditioner, shampoo and stuff for your beard. I'm excited to try this out, so thank you very much, guys. I will be reviewing this later on once I get like a feel for it, but this is pretty cool, and I love this packaging, so I'll probably save that for the review itself. But that is pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, hopefully you enjoyed this review, hopefully this was helpful and give you kind of like a light on a toner and K-Beauty for men. So that's pretty exciting. If you did enjoy this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. That is much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video, share the love, and also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, so you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And my Instagram is in one of these corners, so if you want to, give it a follow. And until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.